I kind of feel like you kind of just made up the rules on the spot.
You're supposed to roll one day.
So, I get not wanting things to look like genitals, but I just don't want to ruin my childhood. You know, it's been there all my life. It's kind of late to change it, you know?
And they're not changing your childhood, they're just changing like an image, you know? Yeah.
You know, just ignore him. It's best just not to encourage this behavior, honestly. But like I was saying, just because a clam looks like a giant pussy.
I've struck again.
Hey, what'd you do? Hey!
Oh, you think you're gonna get me? No. Please.
Yes.
Please.
Yes. Yes.
You got me. Again.
It's alright, man. It happens, you know. You'll get me next time or something.
Sound. I shall take your sound.
Damn it, Micah. Stop taking people's sound.
I am not Micah. I am the sound wizard.
I don't care what you call yourself, man. Like, it's rude. Don't do that.
To the sound cave.
See, that's the thing. We all keep thinking the solution is more government, but the government is more people.
Sound wizard.
No, man. We don't need you anymore, okay? We got our own lavaliers now, okay? We don't need your crap.
That's right. We got our own lavalier microphones. So we don't need you or your oppressive dictatorship.
But I'm the sound wizard. But I'm the I am the sound wizard. None shall know true sound but I.
Anyways, what was I saying?
You're talking about how you don't know what the hell
Hold on, he had sound. Then he showed up. Now he has no sound.
Sound wizard.
Oh my god.
Sound wizard.
You can't say that.